Intercom Chatbot Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Intercom Chatbot. In today's video, I'll be sharing my personal experience with this platform. If you're interested, make sure to check out the product link in the description below for more information. Intercom is a customer messaging platform that provides a suite of tools designed to help businesses engage, support, and retain customers. It combines live chat, bots, and automation in a seamless way to offer personalized customer service. The Intercom Chatbot is a standout feature designed to automate customer interactions while maintaining a human-like conversation flow. One of the strongest aspects of Intercom is its ability to integrate with various messaging channels. The bot works across platforms like websites, mobile apps, and social media, ensuring that businesses can engage with customers wherever they are. The chatbot is highly customizable, allowing you to design conversational flows that cater to your specific business needs. You can set up automated responses, qualifying questions, and route conversations to the appropriate team members based on user input. The setup process for the Intercom chatbot is relatively straightforward, with a no-code interface that allows you to build bots with ease. For those with technical expertise, there are advanced features like custom workflows and API integrations available to enhance bot capabilities further. This flexibility makes Intercom a great choice for both small businesses and large enterprises. A key feature of the Intercom chatbot is its advanced targeting and segmentation capabilities. With these, you can create personalized experiences based on user behavior, preferences, or even location. This enables businesses to send the right message to the right customer at the right time, improving conversion rates and overall customer satisfaction. Intercom also offers detailed analytics and reporting, allowing businesses to track bot performance, analyze engagement, and optimize customer interactions. The ability to A/B test bot responses and refine workflows ensures that your chatbot continues to improve over time. One limitation, however, is that the pricing can be on the higher side, especially for smaller businesses. While there's a free trial, the full suite of features is available only on the paid plans, which may not be ideal for companies with tight budgets. In conclusion, Intercom Chatbot is a powerful tool for automating customer support and engagement. Its robust features, cross-platform integration, and customization options make it a solid choice for businesses looking to improve their customer service experience. If you're looking to streamline interactions, boost conversions, and provide 24/7 support, Intercom is definitely worth exploring. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details.